Let's look at this quickly using the principle up here. Now, the first thing we do, we understand the basic principle I have here. And what is that saying? If this is x, this also will be x when these angles have been divided. If this is y, this also will be y. Now, the first thing we do here, we notice that the angle up here has a circumference. It's not divided. So let's divide it. If we are not bisecting, but we are dividing. Bisection is dividing into two equal parts. But we are not dividing into two equal parts. We are only dividing, not bisection. So now, that implies if this is x, this is x. So if this is m, this is also m. Then if this is y, this place is y. If this is 30, this also will be 30. Based on the principle of the base angle of an isosceles triangle. So we solve this. M plus 30 degree is equal to 50 degree. Because the addition of these two will give the single angle, which is 50. So let's solve for m. M is equal to 50 minus 30. M is equal to 20 degree. Understand the principle and apply. Stop wasting time. So let's quickly look at bearing. I have a question, very common type of question. The bearing of x from y is 150 degree. Find the bearing of y from x. You know, many times when we are given this kind of question, we want to draw and start locating the point where y is from x and all of those things. But there's a short trick for this. And that trick depends on the number here. As far as the question is such that you are given the bearing of one point from the other, and you're asked to find the corresponding bearing of the other point from the initial point. This is just what you do. Check the number, the value given as a bearing. Then when you check it, if the theta is less than 180, what you just do, you do theta plus 180. So our answer for this will be 150 degree plus 180 degree, which will be equal to 330 degree. That is how you get that done. On the other side, we have another one. The bearing of A from B is 310 degree. Find the bearing of B from A. Just check the value again. Now, for this case, if theta is greater than 180 degree, what do you just do? Subtract 180 degree from theta. That will be theta minus 180 degree. Then what's our answer here? It will be 310 degree minus 180. We do the subtraction. What do we have? 130 degree. So stop